Chief Electoral Officer Kajala Meghalaya ba Frederick Roy Kharkungor Loi Thu ba Kidon Lai Tili ki jingjia huri hura ki ba kham kongsan ki balaja ha ji ya linti sak election kabalong menta kasi ka arpnyo trik rompang arja arpulai kini ki jingjia ki kenthop ya ki jingjia ya huri hura ha pulbury constituency ha padeng ki arkan hun ha ka bala kem ya ki nongpun klumar ka jingjia ha west Shillong ha padeng ki nong kersan ka UDP but NPP but ki jingjia kenno sak takti ka kurim jung kertong ka AITC ha umroi.
The major ones, of course, was the group clash in Phulbari. Two group clashes in Phulbari were there, out of which 146 were bound under Section 107, and there were 31 arrests made. That was one. And then in West Shillong, there was another group clash, which 2 cases, I think 2 FIRs were also registered. These were the 2 major ones. And there was another small incident in Umroi, I think, pertaining to 2 parties. So these were the 3 major, if you could term it, major model code of conduct violations. Apart from that, there were, in the silence period, there were a few complaints that parties were using social media. So that a few cases we had already escalated to the Election Commission, and they have taken down the posts also, because we don't have the mandate, because we don't deal directly with the social media giants. So we had to escalate it to Election Commission, and Election Commission, after due verification, they took down the posts, and those posts were no longer made available. So this was done in the last 48 hours, as and when we received the complaints, and as and when it was duly verified.